How to make an account on YouTube. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube, click on sign in at the top right corner of your screen, and then add your email or phone and press on create account. If you don't have one, click on for my personal use and press on next. Add your first name, last name, and next. Add your birth month, birthday, and birth year. Select your gender and press on next again. If you want to add your email address, you can add or simply click on use your existing email. Select one of the emails. Scroll down in here. Click on I agree. And I agree, then your account will be created. But this is the main account. What you can do is make different account from here. Click on top right and then click on create a channel. After that, select picture, name, and then press on create channel at the bottom. This is your main channel. You can create different channel from this same channel. What you can do is click on top right again, scroll down to settings. Click on settings, scroll down in here, and you'll find create a new channel option. Click on create a new channel, add name, handle, you can select picture as well. Then press on create channel at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then from your one channel or one Google account you can create multiple channels in this way. This is how to make an YouTube account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.